In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Brevo for email marketing. To begin, open your Chrome browser and access your Brevo account. Once the dashboard loads, you will see different menu options displayed on the left side of the screen. These options include areas such as contacts, automation, campaigns, and other account sections connected to email marketing tools inside Brevo. Start by moving to the Contacts section from the left panel. After opening the Contacts area, continue reviewing the available options shown on the screen. From this section, you can add contacts manually or import email lists into your account. You can also copy and upload Excel contact lists depending on the format you want to use for your email marketing setup. After reviewing the Contacts section, continue by returning to the main area of your account. Move to the Profile section and locate the option connected to sender or IP settings. Once the page opens, continue by selecting the first option called Sender. Inside the Sender section, continue by selecting Add a Sender. This will open the Sender Setup page where you can enter the email address you want to use for sending campaigns. Type the email address into the available field and continue by saving the information shown on the screen. After saving the sender information, Brevo will require email verification before the sender address can be used. Continue by completing the verification process connected to the sender email account. Once the verification is completed successfully, the sender setup process will be finished. The account also includes the ability to send up to 300 emails per day on the free plan. After the sender setup is completed, Brevo will then begin setting up your email campaign. Select the contacts who will receive the campaign. Once the email list, subject line, and email content have been added successfully, your Brevo email marketing setup process will be ready for campaign use. Thank you for watching.